How to use tone detection in Grammarly. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Grammarly and make sure you have logged into your account. After you've done that, go to where your text is. I'm simply going to write an email and paste the words. In here, as you can see, Grammarly is detecting above the keyboard and click on Review Suggestions. In here, click on the bolt-like option. And now here you will find all the tones, how this might sound inspirational, optimistic, admiring, and you can also try out new tone if you want by clicking on it, and it will rewrite you, and then you can press on insert and it will insert the tone that you selected. And this is how to use tone detection in Grammarly. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.